All right, I'm gonna do a room tour. It's already been discombobulated, so yeah. When you come in, you got 3 hooks, which is nice to have to put coats or lanyards or anything like that. You got a full-length mirror. When you come into the room, this is a couch, but because we have kids, these rooms are customized to be bunk beds for kids. Right here is closet. You got a full-length closet with drawers, shelves, and a safe. And I'm sorry I can't show you much here because the suitcases are blocking it. But there is a closet over there with hanging space, and it looks like more storage area. I might try to put the suitcases in here so that they're out of the way and actually accessible, but it's been a long day. TV right now with the safety briefing, phone. You have an outlet here. You have 2 standard American outlets, 2 USB ports. You have 2 European outlets. All of your information on board. You have 2 glasses, a chiller with tongs. Coming over here again, it is not lived in, but we've been throwing stuff everywhere. King size bed. You have lighting over there. Lighting over there. They do provide beach towels. You have a curtain for your balcony for privacy. And then you have the balcony. Everybody say hi. Got a balcony with 2 chairs.
Mommy.
And a little footstool. Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Want to talk to the uncle.
Okay.
Mama.
She wants to talk to her uncle. So yes, this is room 10209 on MSC Seaside. Oh yeah, I might want to show you guys the bathroom, huh? You come in here, you have a shower with a glass door. I am going to enjoy that thoroughly. I don't like a curtain touching my butt. Toilet, sink, shelves for plenty of storage for your toiletries. Towels, more area for towels. So yes, this is the bathroom. I forgot to include that. So sorry.